Last night, the White House announced 25% tariffs on imported cars and light trucks into the U.S., with the implementation of the tariffs to begin on April 2nd. What this means is that the amount of vehicles impacted by these tariffs is much larger than otherwise anticipated, impacting Japanese, South Korean, and European vehicles, and not just Mexican and Canadian vehicles, as was originally anticipated. We think the automakers will respond by increasing prices. But the good news here is that the automotive aftermarket wasn't impacted, nor were part suppliers at this point in time. We think that this will have a less impactful disruption of the supply chain itself, which was a real concern heading into these tariffs. However, it does mean that demand is likely to go down in the U.S. as automakers contend with upwards of $4,000 to $5,000 in extra costs spread out over the entirety of the 16 million or so vehicles sold in the U.S. We continue to like companies within the auto aftermarket space, which covers the 290 million or so vehicles in the United States. We continue to like the dealers, as their profit center is really the parts and service aspect of the business, along with used vehicles. So more to come in the coming days, but just a quick note on an ever-changing and very fluid situation in the auto industry. Thank you.
Brian Sponheimer is a portfolio manager at Gabelli Funds. The above webcast is an excerpt from Gabelli TV that appeared on March 27, 2025. GAMCO is providing these links as a matter of general information. We do not intend for these links to be a complete description of any security or company, nor is it a research report with respect to any of the companies mentioned herein. The analyst's views are subject to change at any time based on market and other conditions. The information in this posting represents the opinions of the analyst and is not intended to be a forecast of future events, a guarantee of future results, or investment advice. Views expressed are those of the analyst and may differ from those of other GAMCO officers, analysts, other employees, or of the firm as a whole. Because the investment personnel at GAMCO and our affiliates make individual investment decisions with respect to the client accounts that they manage, these accounts may have transactions inconsistent with the information contained in this posting. Certain GAMCO personnel may know the substance of the posting prior to its posting. This webcast is not an offer to sell any security, nor is it a solicitation of an offer to buy any security. Stocks are subject to market, economic, and business risks that cause their prices to fluctuate. When you sell shares, they may be worth less than what you paid for them. For more information, a prospectus, or summary prospectus, visit our website at www.gabelli.com or call 800-GABELLI or 800-422-3554-914, 921-5100 fax, 914-921-5118 info@gabelli.com.